The silence at the docks is what should terrify you right now. It is January 7th, 2026, and the world just woke up to a nightmare. Reuters just dropped a truth bomb that confirms our worst fears. China's copper warehouses are officially ghost towns. They aren't just low on stock, they are bone dry and dead empty. In November alone, 143,000 metric tons of copper vanished from Shanghai. That metal didn't just disappear, it was sucked into the US black hole. The yearly total has hit 698 out of 500 tons, smashing every record in history. While the media told you trade was fine, the physical metal was fleeing. US tariffs are acting like a vacuum, pulling every bar of copper west. New York is paying massive premiums that London and Shanghai can't match. Traders saw the price gap and raided the Chinese ports twice since last summer. Now, the cranes in Shanghai are frozen and the docks are covered in dust. The London Metal Exchange is starving for high-grade copper. There is zero Chilean metal left. It's all been hoarded or shipped. What's left in the system is 95% junk, Russian and Chinese scrap. This isn't just a number on a screen. This is a hit to your wallet. Copper is the nervous system of your entire modern life. It is the wiring in your walls and the heart of every EV car. It powers the faint buzz of the grid that keeps your lights on. Right now, factories are starting to choke and stop cold. Builders are walking off sites because they can't find electrical wire. Tesla is stalling because Musk can't hunt down enough high-grade wire. Apple's production lines are snapping because circuit boards need metal. Paper contracts are stacking high, but paper wire's absolutely nothing. The empty warehouses mean the physical metal has fled to the highest bidder. Gold and silver are the next targets in this global scramble. US debt is a towering inferno, and Trump's tariffs just lit the fuse. Traders are shipping everything now before the June deadline hits. Italy grabbed 1,600 tons, while Germany and Sweden are begging for more. The world is starving for metal, while China's ports show bare bones. Iron ore just jumped to 108.25 as the industrial king begins to fall. The banks tell you dollars are safe, but they are hiding the drain. Customs data is being masked, but the export screams are too loud. The premium to ship metal now covers the cost of the ships 10 times over. You're going to feel this when your cheap power starts to fade. Houses will stay half-finished and car deliveries will delay for years. Food prices will climb as the trucks stall without spare parts. The copper crunch is the first scream of a much bigger trouble. Precious metal vaults are the next ones to break under the pressure. The 2021 silver squeeze was just a small rehearsal for this. The battle between Shanghai and New York has turned into a war. The spot price is a bold lie. The street price is where the truth lives. Physical metal is exploding in value while paper contracts die. In Pakistan, they are trying to trick you with small dips in gold prices. Our 1,200 down is a trap to make you sell your real wealth for paper. Don't be the one who scrambles late when the vault doors snap shut. UBS is already calling for $5,000 gold as the deficits push harder. Copper is the spark that is lighting the fire under all commodities. The data centers for AI are starving the beast of the remaining supply. Morgan Stanley warns that the AI boom is eating the last of the copper. History is biting back sharp and fast against those who trust banks. Cash is burning in your hand while physical bars win the day. Stop looking at the ETFs and the digital tickers on your phone. The reset is happening in real time, and the cost is doubling every hour. You need to hold the coins, the bars, and the eagles in your own hand. Stack at least 10% in silver immediately and hold your gold tight. Do not sell, do not loan to the banks, and do not trust the Fed. Real scarcity is the only thing that wins when the system resets. The map is turning red, and the clock is ticking toward midnight. The suits are fleeing the floor, and the metal rain is starting to fall. Dawn is breaking on dead ports and cold, silent mills. The trucks will rust, and the banks will shut their doors to you. Only those with metal will be safe to eat and sleep in peace. They will beg at your door, but the door will be slammed shut. Metal is the only side that wins this war of paper versus reality. Open your eyes, run to the vaults, and start stacking before the dark. The copper collapse is just the beginning of the end for the old world. Would you like me to look into the current physical silver premiums in your local market?